As we celebrate 125 years of hospitality at the Moana Surfrider, a Westin Resort and Spa, we invite you to discover the newly reimagined Banyan Wing. This iconic wing honors our 1901 beginnings while introducing refreshed comfort and a renewed connection to the spirit of the islands. The Banyan Wing is the original Moana Hotel building, Waikiki's first hotel, built at the turn of the century. Architect Oliver G. Traphagen's Beaux-Arts design shines through soaring columns and intricate crown molding. Today, flowing artwork, soft natural tones, and modern enhancements create a setting that feels restorative and timeless. The wing features standard rooms, deluxe rooms, and suites. As was common for the time, each room in the Banyan Wing varies slightly, offering its own charming layout and historic character.